Hi folks, welcome back. In this video I'd like to show you my latest engine stand. This one dedicated to the Lambretta. As you can see here, I've got my Lambretta crankcase mounted, so I'll run over a few of the things that it does. And as you can see, you're looking at the barrel end, that end, and the internals where the clutches are. And then if you actually swivel it over the top and then swivel it round, then you're working on the same front end with the opposite end working upwards. So basically it pivots and swivels, you know, for doing different procedures on it. And you can also remove it and leave the post on the bench when it's not in use, so it's not in the way. The actual pivoting motion is same as the first engine stand, with the 8 positions locking in place with the locking pins, which haven't come yet. I'm still waiting for those. And then on the opposite side, on the other side, you also have a locking pin here, so that can lock from swiveling as well. So it locks in the swiveling position, and it also locks in the pivoting position, and that should come in mighty handy. And it's made out of substantial material, as you can see, 50 by 25 box by 2.5 wall thickness, nice thick 6mm plates to where the engine mounts go on. The base plate is, I think it's 6-inch square, 10mm thick plate, and you've got a substantial column here which is turned down to fit inside this 80 by 80 box. And I'll roll that back round. Bring it back round here, and that's about it basically. It's a bit close here, so we can be able to see it still there. So that's my Lambretta stand, and like I said, when I get the catches for the 2 pivots and swivel locks, I'll do another video, and I'll paint it, maybe get it powder coated, this one. And yeah, it's took some working out, but it works really well. So thank you all for watching. Bye for now.